What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. Do you love the excitement and euphoria of unboxing a new knife, but find that it's not financially viable to unbox 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 knives a week? Fear not. I actually have a playlist that you can go watch where I unbox so many knives it'll blow your mind. You can share in my enjoyment and excitement and save your wallet and your bank account. Unless you really like the knife that I unboxed, in which case I have conveniently provided, most of the time, an Amazon affiliate link. Just like you can do with this Rainbow Mermaid knife. If you'd like a Rainbow Mermaid knife for yourself to enjoy in your own unboxing adventures or adventures of any type, feel free to use my Amazon affiliate link down in the description and get one for yourself. Wow! Metal Complex's channel is just turning into one gigantic knife commercial. Alright, let's go ahead and use the grace and precision of the Lady of the Sea to cut into this box. Guys, I don't know what's in here. I think it's from the Pass Around group, but I'm not sure. Okay, I'm seeing the green CRKT box. We've got another CRKT. Is that it? Yeah, it's just bubble stuff in there. Okay, what do we have? Let's open it up. Definitely a different knife than the helical. I was wondering if I accidentally got the helical sent to me twice. This is interesting. What we have here? Contoured G10 over, more G10 over steel over a G10 bag spacer. Deep carry pocket clip. Was that assisted? It's gotta be. Oh, wait a sec. Is this? This is the fast lane. Okay, interesting. For a second there, I was like, wait, is this the fastball? And then I realized the fastball is Gerber's thing. Okay, so this is pretty cool. This is definitely different in terms of what I am used to seeing from CRKT. Would you call that a finger choil? I don't know. I don't know that I would. Big fan of the profile here. Big fan of the contouring. I like how free and open I am with the hand positions here. Interesting. Look at that spine shape, how they do the... It's like little notches cut in the blade, just I think more decorative than anything. So it is definitely assisted. Fires out nice and hard. No blade play, up, down, left, or right. Let's take a look here so you guys can see the model number. 7045 fast lane. Of course, if available, I will provide an Amazon link in the description if you don't want to wait for my review and go ahead and buy it for yourself. Yeah, interesting little knife there. I'm excited to take a look at it. I really like the G10 on this. This is very not CRKT. CRKT, when I think of them, I think kind of like, you know, they make good functional knives, but there's always some kind of flash or pomp or frill that's sometimes, you know, not in the way of things and sometimes is. You know, it's never really a deal breaker. I think CRKT is in a lot better place than some other manufacturers out there. But this is different. This is a little bit more... utilitarian, a little more subdued, a little less pomp and frill, a little more straightforwardness. Pretty cool. All right, guys, it's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.